Yo, what's up? Today I'll be reviewing the Guess Hotspur tee. I picked this up on sale at Urban Outfitters for about 50 bucks. I'd been looking for a piece like this for a while, so I jumped on the opportunity to get about 20% off. There's a handful of different striped tees on the site available, but I'll leave the exact one in the description below. Let's get into it. Here's a look at the tee, the pattern. It's got a embroidered Guess Los Angeles across the front. This is what the tag looks like. The collar here is definitely a little bit thicker than your average shirt, and so is the thickness of the shirt itself. The inside of the shirt is lined with white, so if you have a problem with the length of the sleeve, which they're a little bit longer when you roll them up, the white will show. I'll show you what this looks like on and compare it to an average graphic tee you'd get from H&M. So here's what the shirt looks like on. You see, it's definitely a little bit of an oversized fit, but it's nice kind of having a few different fits for shirts that you have. I have the sleeves rolled up. That's how I prefer to wear it. Here's what the sleeves look like down if you want to rock it like this. And this is what a H&M shirt would look like the same size. It's just standard graphic tee. By the way, both are size large. I'm about 5'11", 190 pounds to put in comparison. Now that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks. Peace out.